Hey guys, it's football season again, and what's better than cooking for game day? So I've got my five favorite things all looped up, ready to go. Um, got the football. It's a little underflated. I wonder. Oh, this might be one of the ones from the Patriots. So anyway, let's get to it. Grab a beer and let's go for the first one here. Um, First one. It's going to take a little bit of time. It is It is ribs on the smoker. So, what we're doing here, um, get some ribs from the store, throw them on the smoker. I usually do the 3-2-1 method, which is going to be cook them for 3 hours unwrapped, and then you're going to wrap them for 2 hours, and then you're going to unwrap them and let them dry up a little bit for that last hour. And you can kind of play it by ear. Let me scoot forward so you can see what's going on here. Um, I don't remember on this particular one if I used charcoal the whole way through or if I started out with charcoal. And usually what I'll do is I'll do charcoal first, and then I have big hickory splits I'll throw in there. But you don't need to do this on a offset smoker. This is a cheap offset smoker I bought. It was under 200 bucks, and I made some modifications to it. But let's scoot a little bit. You can see throwing the ribs on there. So they're going to stay on here for about 3 hours. Yeah, so you see on this video I was using the hickory splits. Let's forward a little bit here. And everybody loves ribs. So this is one great thing you can either bring to a game if you're someone's house if you're watching the game there. You can cook it your house when you're having some people over. And looks like we're about 3 hours in, so we're gonna wrap them up. A little butter, some honey, brown sugar. Boop boop. There's some chickens. Hey Stormy. Fast forwarding through. Let's get to unwrapping. Look how juicy those are. And these five different things that we're talking about today, if I can do them, you guys can do them. So I'll put a link to this actual video so you guys can watch the whole thing if you'd like to. Let me fast forward up. Ooh, little Sweet Baby Ray's on there. Zip zip. And grab another piece of wood. All right, let's see when these things are done. Zip zip zip. All right, there's the sky. Oh, I didn't show when they're complete. Oh, I guess I did because that was it. Well, anyway, but the video has lots of good information you can watch. Next thing, let's look at the crab meat cheddar fritters. And this one, we use the Blackstone. So this is just mixing everything together. Again, I'll put a link both in the description and also up top here. Come on. All right, let's get going here. So you mix it all together. Crab meat, flour, eggs. You're basically making your own crab cakes, but you're smushing them down so they look like McDonald's hash browns. These you can cook up ahead of time. Again, bring them to your friend's house, reheat them in the oven, or make them right before the game starts. And I don't know. There we go. And these tasted awesome. There was some corn in there too. They really turned out. They turned out great. All right. Next, crispy chicken quesadillas on the Blackstone. I've had a couple people remind me, "Hey, you didn't wash that chicken," but that's all right because you don't really want to wash the chicken unless you want to spread the chicken bacteria all over your fridge or all over your kitchen. So these were, I think these were thin, yeah, little thin chicken cutlets or whatever they call them. So basically here, just cooking the chicken up. These are super easy too, and you can buy chicken already cut up like this, make it a lot easier. But it was cheaper buying the bigger pieces. So once that's done, scoot it over and heat up your tortillas. Throw a little cheese, some of the chicken. Here we got some jalapenos going on one. Boop. Tomatoes. Boop. And once I get to this point, just fold them over. Oh, because I'm putting more cheese on. Any kind of shredded cheese. Because I was using a Mexican blend. That one was too packed. But yeah, these are nice and easy, quick. Fast forward through a little bit more. See how these guys look. And I'll link this video, but you can hear the cracking. So these were super crispy. Nice. And maybe a little bit too full, but they turned out great. Well, that was number 3. Let's move on to the next one. This is one I did pretty recently. Sausage rolls. This is a huge favorite, and I'm actually planning on making these tomorrow for the Eagles game. So you got the sausage in there, a little bit egg wash. Then you can throw, if you want, you can throw some mustard in there. And I think that was some nutmeg. Again, you know, think of whatever you want to put in there and it's fine. So let's fast forward to, it's a great shot of them in the oven. A little more egg wash and some sesame seeds. Oh, what's that? So this is me just cutting them up. Yep. Put them in the oven. And I think this was about 400 for 30-35 minutes. And here's 15 minutes in, the next shot. See, already puffing up. So this is them being all finished. But yeah, my kids loved them. Everybody loved them. There they are. Let's just pause that for a second. Look at them. You got your sausage all in there. Super flaky. It's a nice shot. And we'll move on to the last one here. You didn't think I was gonna skip chicken wings, huh? So let's get going. There's a little bit of a red tint on this shot because it's underneath the red umbrella. But there you go. Now you can see them. So seasoned up. I think I put one and done on these. Let's throw them on. That's the 36-inch Blackstone, same one that we were using in the other videos. Ship, ship, ship. Boop, 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 boop. And I'll link this up. Oh, look at that. You see they're starting to go. Yeah, I'll link this video in the description and also hopefully, if I remember, up here. Yeah. So basically with these, you just want to move them around a little bit so they don't burn up. They do get crispy, which is good. Not as crispy as if you did them on a grill, but they taste much better like this though than they would in an oven. All right, scoot through here a little bit quicker. Now here, just throwing some barbecue on there. I think I did half with barbecue on this one. And that's it. Yeah, I can't wait to make those again. I'll probably make those tomorrow too. But anyway, wanted to do that real quick. Thanks again though for watching, and we all know Eagles are going to win tomorrow. They're playing the Redskins, and I don't know. There's a lot of different games going on tomorrow. What's your favorite team, and who are you rooting for? And what's your favorite snacks to make for game day? So let me know in the comments. If you haven't been a subscriber yet, please subscribe, hit that bell, and do the thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Thanks.